Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 3rd August 2023. CBIC exempts small taxpayers with annual aggregate turnover up to Rs 2 crore from GSTR 9 filing for financial year 22-23. CBIC, via circular dated August 1, 2023, has issued clarifications regarding the applicability of GST on certain services based on the recommendations of the GST Council in its 50th meeting held on July 11, 2023. Representations have been received seeking clarifications on the following issues. Number 1. Whether services supplied by director of a company in his personal capacity, such as renting of immovable property to the company or body corporate, are subject to reverse charge mechanism. Number 2. Whether supply of food or beverages in cinema hall is taxable as restaurant service. It is hereby clarified that services supplied by a director of a company or body corporate to the company or body corporate in his private or personal capacity, such as services supplied by way of renting of immovable property to the company or body corporate, are not taxable under RCM. Only those services supplied by director of company or body corporate which are supplied by him as or in the capacity of director of that company or body corporate shall be taxable under RCM in the hands of the company or body corporate. It is hereby clarified that supply of food or beverages in a cinema hall is taxable as restaurant service as long as A. the food or beverages are supplied by way of or part of a service, and B. supplied independent of the cinema exhibition service. It is further clarified that where the sale of cinema ticket and supply of food and beverages are clubbed together and such bundled supply satisfies the test of composite supply, the entire supply will attract GST at the rate applicable to service of exhibition of cinema, the principal supply. July 2023 GST collection smashes records at Rs 1,65,105 crore, which surges 11% year on year. The CBIC has notified Account Aggregator as the systems with which information may be shared by the common portal based on consent under Section 158A of CGST Act 2017, and it shall be the same as defined in the NBFC Account Aggregator Reserve Bank Directions 2016. This notification shall come into force with effect from 1st October 2023. SEBI has directed market infrastructure institutions to set up and operate a common online dispute resolution portal. The portal will harness online conciliation and online arbitration for the resolution of disputes arising in the Indian securities markets. The 28% goods and service tax on online gaming, casinos and horse racing is expected to be implemented from October 1st this year, said Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. However, in a reprieve to the online gaming sector, the government has clarified that the tax will be levied on the contest entry amount excluding the winnings. The GST Council also recommended that valuation of supply of online gaming and actionable claims in casinos may be done based on the amount paid or payable or deposited with the supplier by or on behalf of the player, excluding the amount entered into games or bets out of winnings of previous games or bets, and not on the total value of each bet placed, said Sitharaman on Wednesday after the 51st meeting of the GST Council. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.